Hello, digital creators of all ages. Today we're diving into a fun and powerful way to create amazing videos and content. Get ready to master ChatGPT Plus and InVideo, your ultimate tools for creativity. First up, ChatGPT Plus. It's an enhanced version of the popular AI we all know and love. With ChatGPT Plus, you get faster responses and priority access, even during peak times. Let's start by launching ChatGPT. Here's a cool trick. Ask it to generate ideas for your next video. Watch as it crafts unique, creative concepts within seconds. Got your idea? Great. Now ask ChatGPT to help flesh out your script. From detailed outlines to catchy dialogues, it's like having a writer's assistant at your fingertips. Next, let's bring these ideas to life with InVideo. This powerful platform lets anyone create high-quality videos. No professional skills needed. Choose a template that matches your vision. InVideo has hundreds, whether it's for a quick tutorial, a product review, or an engaging story. Drag and drop your elements, images, text, music, and edit away. It's super intuitive. Need a pro tip? Use InVideo's video stabilization feature to keep your footage silky smooth. Almost done. Review your masterpiece and hit export. In just minutes, you'll have a video that's ready to wow the internet. And that's it, folks. You've just created awesome content using ChatGPT Plus and InVideo. Remember, the key is to experiment and have fun with these tools. The more you play, the better your creations will be. Enjoyed this tutorial? Hit like, share, and subscribe for more cool tips. Drop your questions or what you'd like to see next in the comments below. Happy creating!